In this step, we're going to apply the reinforcements for the tail spreader spar. We're using the adhesive back Dacron pieces shaped like this. There's an A, there's an A and a B. They're mirror images of each other. So then and this is the paper side, so when we put the paper to paper, they line up. Peel the paper back, but what we're going to do is peel back and part of the paper. We don't want to remove all the paper. Fold back the paper so that we have just the adhesive exposed with the holes. Fold that paper down. Then we can take these pieces and put them paper to paper, and the adhesive won't stick together. Keeps the adhesive apart. Work it around so that these edges line up and the holes lined. Take and pinch the paper together like that, and the adhesive then sticks together. Everything's all lined up nice. The part and unfold it. Fold the paper of one part back to where you make the transition on the curves. Peel it back that way. The adhesive exposed on the rest of the tab. Hold the tab down and stick the rest of that together. We still have the paper backing on the parts, but we have the tab stuck together. Now we have an A and a B. So these, the way they're oriented now, line up perfectly with each other. But what we want is to flip this one of them over so that we have mirror images of each other. And those mirror images will line up our holes with the holes and the edges. So in order to do that, let's go ahead and take half of the paper, fold it back to expose the holes on just one part. Roll that over. And the holes should line up and the edges should line up. But this one doesn't. The holes line up, but the edge of the part is extended past the edge of the sail. So that means that this piece goes over here. This piece will then flip over, and that'll be for that side. So we'll go. Okay, now the holes line up and the edges of the part line up. Rub that down, and we fold this over, fold back part of the paper, only exposing part of the adhesive. And pull it off and finish it off and lightly rub it. There we go. Now let's do this. And now let's bring that back over. There we go. That lines up just right. Now go ahead and lower it down. Put the paper down, hold this tab up the adhesive way. You can slide it around until it lines up properly. And then lightly stick it down, rub, pull the rest of the paper off. There you go. Tab down, peel the paper off, and take the burnishing tool, go around the outside edge, rub it, sticking down, and there you go. Now you have your reinforcement tabs. Fold these over, put a zip tie through, and that'll create a pocket for the bow spreader for the tail.